The global auto industry in 2026 is experiencing a surprising and complex situation, one that very few experts predicted would unfold at this scale. After years of supply shortages, production delays, and skyrocketing demand following the pandemic era, the market has now shifted dramatically in the opposite direction. Dealerships across multiple regions are suddenly filled with unsold vehicles, creating a growing imbalance between supply and demand. This unexpected surplus is not limited to one category or region. It's happening across a wide spectrum of vehicles, from affordable compact cars to high-end luxury SUVs. One of the biggest reasons behind this situation is the rapid change in consumer behavior. Buyers today are far more cautious with their spending than they were just a few years ago. Economic uncertainty, inflation, and rising interest rates have made people rethink major purchases, especially big-ticket items like cars. Monthly car payments have increased significantly due to higher financing costs, making even mid-range vehicles feel expensive for the average consumer. As a result, many potential buyers are either delaying their purchase decisions or opting for used vehicles instead of brand-new ones. At the same time, automakers had already ramped up production in anticipation of continued strong demand. After struggling with semiconductor shortages and supply chain disruptions in previous years, manufacturers finally regained their production capacity and began producing vehicles at a much faster rate. However, by the time this increased production reached dealerships, consumer demand had already started to cool down. This mismatch created a backlog of inventory that continues to grow. Another key factor contributing to the oversupply is the rapid rise of electric vehicles, EVs. While EV adoption is increasing globally, it has also created confusion and hesitation among buyers. Many consumers are unsure whether to invest in traditional gasoline-powered cars or wait and transition to electric options. Concerns about charging infrastructure, battery life, resale value, and government policies are making buyers more cautious. This uncertainty is causing people to delay purchases altogether, leaving dealerships with unsold stock of both conventional and electric vehicles. In addition, the competition within the automotive market has become more intense than ever. New players, especially in the EV segment, are entering the market and challenging established brands. Traditional automakers are now competing not only with each other, but also with newer, tech-focused companies that are attracting attention with innovative features and competitive pricing. This increased competition is fragmenting the market, making it harder for individual brands to maintain strong sales volumes. Regional factors are also playing a significant role. In some countries, stricter regulations on emissions and fuel efficiency are pushing automakers to transition their lineups quickly, leading to an oversupply of older models that don't meet upcoming standards. In other regions, currency fluctuations and import costs are affecting vehicle pricing, further complicating the buying decision for consumers. Additionally, government incentives for EVs in certain markets are shifting demand away from traditional vehicles, leaving those models sitting longer on dealer lots. Another overlooked factor is the growing popularity of alternative transportation options. Ride-sharing services, improved public transportation, and even remote work trends have reduced the necessity for owning a personal vehicle in some urban areas. People who once relied on daily commutes are now working from home or using flexible travel options, decreasing the urgency to buy a car. This subtle but powerful shift in lifestyle is contributing to slower sales across the industry. Dealerships themselves are also feeling the pressure. With more cars sitting on their lots, storage costs, maintenance, and depreciation are becoming serious concerns. Unsold vehicles lose value over time, especially when newer models are released. Dealers are therefore caught in a difficult position. They need to sell existing inventory quickly, but they also have to compete with newer arrivals and aggressive pricing strategies from rival dealerships. Moreover, the rise of online car buying platforms has changed how consumers shop for vehicles. Buyers now have access to a vast amount of information, allowing them to compare prices, features, and deals across multiple brands instantly. This increased transparency means that customers are less likely to rush into a purchase and more likely to wait for better offers. While this empowers consumers, it adds another layer of challenge for automakers trying to move inventory quickly. The situation is further complicated by changing preferences in vehicle types. SUVs and crossovers continue to dominate demand, while certain sedan and hatchback segments are seeing reduced interest in some markets. If a brand has overproduced models that are no longer in high demand, those vehicles can sit unsold for extended periods. This mismatch between production planning and actual market trends is amplifying the inventory problem. In essence, the current oversupply in the auto industry is the result of multiple factors converging at once. Economic pressures, shifting consumer priorities, rapid technological changes, increased competition, and evolving lifestyles have all played a role in creating this situation. It's not simply a case of too many cars. It's a reflection of how quickly the market dynamics can change and how difficult it is for even large automakers to predict demand accurately. As dealerships continue to fill up with unsold vehicles, the pressure on automakers is intensifying. While this situation presents challenges for the industry, it also sets the stage for significant changes in pricing strategies, marketing approaches, and overall business models. The buildup of inventory is not just a short-term issue. It's a signal that the automotive market is undergoing a major transition, one that could reshape how cars are sold and bought in the years to come. To deal with this growing inventory problem, car brands and dealerships in 2026 are taking aggressive and sometimes unexpected steps to move their unsold vehicles. What we're seeing right now is not just the usual seasonal discounts or promotional offers. This is a much deeper, industry-wide push to clear out excess stock as quickly as possible. Automakers understand that every unsold car sitting on a lot represents tied-up capital, ongoing costs, and declining value. As a result, they are now offering some of the most attractive deals buyers have seen in years. One of the most common strategies being used is direct price reduction. Many brands are quietly lowering the base prices of certain models without making a huge public announcement. In some cases, the discounts are significant enough to rival those seen during major sales events. Alongside price cuts, dealerships are offering generous cashback deals, allowing buyers to get immediate financial relief at the time of purchase. These cashback offers can make a noticeable difference, especially for customers who are already concerned about rising costs and tight budgets. Financing deals are another powerful tool being used to attract buyers. With interest rates being a major concern, many automakers are stepping in to subsidize loans by offering lower interest rates, or even 0% financing for limited periods. These offers can dramatically reduce monthly payments, making new cars more accessible again. Some dealerships are also extending loan terms or providing flexible payment options to ease the financial burden on customers. In addition to financial incentives, brands are enhancing the overall value of their offers. This includes free maintenance packages, extended warranties, and complimentary service plans. By bundling these benefits with the purchase, automakers are trying to make their vehicles more appealing without necessarily cutting prices further. For many buyers, these added perks can be just as valuable as a direct discount, especially when considering long-term ownership costs. Another interesting tactic is the introduction of limited-time deals and exclusive promotions. Dealerships are creating a sense of urgency by advertising offers that are only available for a short period or while stocks last. This psychological approach encourages buyers to act quickly rather than postponing their decision. Flash sales, weekend specials, and clearance events are becoming more common as dealers try to generate immediate foot traffic and online inquiries. Trade-in bonuses are also playing a major role in boosting sales. Customers who already own a vehicle are being offered higher than usual trade-in values, making it easier for them to upgrade to a new model. This strategy not only helps dealers sell new cars, but also brings in used inventory that can be resold, creating an additional revenue stream. In some cases, trade-in offers are so competitive that they significantly reduce the overall cost of switching to a new vehicle. For buyers, this situation presents a rare window of opportunity. The combination of discounts, incentives, and flexible financing means that it's possible to get more value for money than in previous years. However, it also requires careful decision-making. Not every deal is as good as it appears, and buyers need to compare offers, read the fine print, and ensure that they are choosing a vehicle that truly fits their needs and budget. Timing is another crucial factor. While discounts are widespread now, the best deals may not last forever. As inventory levels begin to stabilize and demand eventually picks up again, automakers are likely to scale back these aggressive promotions. This means that buyers who are ready to make a purchase should stay informed and act strategically to take advantage of the current market conditions. At the same time, this wave of discounts is reshaping customer expectations. Buyers are becoming more aware of pricing flexibility and are less willing to pay full price without negotiating. This shift could have long-term implications for how cars are marketed and sold in the future, pushing the industry toward more competitive and transparent pricing models. Ultimately, the current situation is a clear example of how market dynamics can create opportunities for consumers. While automakers are under pressure to clear their inventory, buyers are in a stronger position than ever to negotiate and secure a great deal. For those who have been waiting for the right time to buy a car, 2026 might just be the perfect moment to make that move, provided they stay informed, compare wisely, and act before the market shifts again. Don't miss out on these limited-time deals. Your dream car might be more affordable than you think right now. Stay ahead of the market, compare offers, and grab the best discount before it's gone. Backhand index pointing right, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest car deals and updates. Automobile collision.